Hey everyone, welcome back दोस्तों. I want to take you on a little journey through one of my favorite times in Mumbai, lazy Sunday mornings. इस हलचल भरे शहर में रविवार की सुबह कुछ जादुई सी होती है. As the first lights peek through the skyline, आमतौर पर होने वाला हलचल और भीड़ भाड़ पीछे हट जाती है. The streets often roaring with the energy and the life now hum with a gentle silence. It's a rare sight, but on Sundays, Mumbai slows down. The traffic eases, and for few precious hours, the city breathes a little easier. The usually crowded lanes are now a serene path, perfect for leisurely stroll or a peaceful ride. On this beautiful Sunday, even our palate craves for something fresh and unique. हमने तो चाइनीज, साउथ इंडियन एंड नॉर्थ इंडियन व्यंजनों का खूब स्वाद लिया है. It's the time to embark on a culinary adventure and discover something exciting and new. हम पहुंच गए Skechers corporate office, the well-known American footwear and apparel company. This quest for novel flavors is what sparked our journey. इस सफर में हम पहुंच गए ट्रांस ओशन हाउस लेक बोलीवर्डे रोड हीरानंदानी बिजनेस पार्क में. हम ऐसी जगह आ गए द प्लेस विच हैज एन एलिगेंट एम्बियंस विद सूथिंग डेकोर. हाँ, मैं पहुंच गया बे रूट एट हीरानंदानी पार्क. Beirut का architecture and interior design reflects a blend of Middle Eastern opulence and contemporary elegance. Beirut's design draws heavily from Middle Eastern aesthetics. Intricate patterns, luxurious textures, and warm color palettes adds an authentic touch to the ambience. Plush seating, velvet upholstery, and chandeliers create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The restaurant combines traditional Middle Eastern architectural elements with modern design sensibilities. The restaurant uses a mix of ambient and accent lighting to enhance the textures and color of the interior decor. इस रेस्टोरेंट की खासियत है Middle Eastern style red wine sangria, Levantine bread, salad, and Egyptian white wine sangria. The special dishes which you must try here is cold meze, hummus, hot meze like falafel, shawarma, and pide, which is Turkish flat bread. We tasted kashke badam jam, a traditional Persian dish made from eggplant ya bengan, Persian yogurt, mint, pepper, turmeric, olive oil, walnut, bloomed saffron, and caramelized onion. Kashke badam jam can be eaten with pita roti prepared with premium quality special flour, which is also called as pocket bread, Arabic bread, Syrian bread, baladi or shami. The second notable dish is kebab Istanbul, which are lamb minces held together, barbecued or grilled, served with garlic, butter, mint and tahini sauce. Lotus drama is made of fluffy cheesecake, lotus biscuit, caramel sauce and vanilla bean ice cream. यहाँ का आफ्टर ईट्स बहुत ही यूनिक है. आपको यहाँ सौंफ नहीं मिलेगा, आपको मिलेगा अरेबियन ड्राई डेट्स which are sugar coated with mouth freshener in various colors. तो आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? Indulge in the delight of discovering new flavors. Don't miss out on a taste sensation. अलविदा दोस्तों, फिर मिलते हैं इन्हीं मुंबई की गलियों में एक और रोमांच भरी सफ़र के साथ.